Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. Today I am going to share with you a presentation of my just published book. The name of the book is Soar Like Eagle Success Tools for Freshers. Before I start off about this book, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have 32 years of experience. I have authored 22 books on leadership and success. Recently, one of my books titled 21 Success for Sutras, published by Pearson, has been rated as one of the top 10 books in the world. And I provide training programs for various corporates, and also I provide soft skills training programs and leadership training programs for various educational institutions and prestigious companies. Coming to the book, this book is basically meant for freshers, new job seekers. This book is basically to inspire freshers to dream big, achieve big, in order to grab their employment opportunities. It helps you to shift from campus to corporate quickly. This is one of the objectives of this book. The book is basically divided into three parts: part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 2 talks about educators, and part 1 talks about students, and part 3 talks about various other aspects. Basically, I am passionate about students. Students are very close to my heart, so I keep writing books on students. My vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders. That is one of the lifetime ambition I am having. So far, I have trained around 15,000 people, and my lifetime vision is to build 1 million people as global leaders. In this book, you will come to know that being a fresher is an asset, not a liability. During my training programs, I have come across with various students asking the same question: Sir, I am a fresher, how can I grab the employment opportunity? I tell them very clearly that being a fresher is an asset, not a liability, because we HR people take the people basically on their attitude. That means we hire for your attitude and train for skills. Even if a person who is having very huge experience may be rejected if he doesn't have good attitude, whereas we take freshers without any experience, but if they have very good attitude, because attitude is everything that determines your altitude of success. And I have listed around 7 habits. It's a very famous book written by Stephen R. Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Let me briefly explain those 7 habits. Habit number 1, be proactive. Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Habit number 3, put first things first. Habit number 4, think win-win. Habit number 5, synergize. Habit number 6, seek first to understand to be understood. Habit number 7, sharpen your saw. And subsequently, Stephen Covey wrote another book, the title 8th Habit, that is from effectiveness to greatness. If you are effective, you will achieve greatness. So these are the habits you need to list out in your resume, and you have to display some of these qualities when you go for an interview, so that the employers will be very happy to provide you an employment offer. Apart from this, various things are involved. Some of the things will be explained by my son M. Ganeshai, who is also a co-author for this book. It's a teamwork between M. Ganeshai and I. I request M. Ganeshai to come and speak a few words about this book.
Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. I am M. Ganeshai, the co-author of this book. I have written so far 5 books. One among that was published by Pearson, titled Success Can Be Yours. I am basically interested in success, motivation, leadership and personality development. And I have passion for teaching, training and researching. This book basically has plenty of things which has to be learned by the students. In this, the additional value which I added was play and learn method, which is basically used for the students to learn the difficult task in an easy manner. This tool basically contains of 5I. That 5I just helps them to get the toughest topic in any subject or general things or any current affairs which they feel more complicated. They can just break it into small pieces, and they can just create each piece of module in their own language, and they can combine it at once after completion of each module. And after completing that, it will be easy for them to understand the tough topic in a simple manner. Apart from that, this book contains basically questions which are basically asked by the students, such as how to face interview, what are the questions that are asked in interview, what the interviewer expect. So the clarifications are being done in this book, and it really helps for the students. So read this book, and remaining things it will be explained by Professor M.S. Rao. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ganesh, for highlighting some of the aspects of the book. This book contains a value addition that is M. Ganesh has created, that is play and learn method, which is an innovative learning tool. Apart from that, it contains so many concerns which freshers have got, and which I have compiled during my training programs. I have come across various questions raised by freshers, so I have provided answers for those questions, and these questions most of you must be having. So if you read this book, you will be able to understand. And it also contains one test, left brain and right brain test, that will help you to know which brainer you are. So there are various aspects involved in this. We wrote it out of our passion towards writing, and out of our passion for Indian students. So you can enjoy reading this book, and you can go to Facebook and like my page. So when you Google my name as Professor M.S. Rao, it comes on the very first page. Like that page, and there is an option to click the button get notifications, and once you click notifications, whatever the posts I make every day on students and career, that will come to you automatically in a separate box. And you can also post any questions on career or leadership or anything, so I will respond you promptly. You can also subscribe to my YouTube link and like the page, and you can also provide your valuable insights. So this is how you can stay with me forever through Facebook as well as YouTube links. And thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the best.